Hi friends, Victor Costa, Peace, Love, and Muscles. Hope you're doing well. You're just in time to watch me make lunch. So I'm going to have some Laura's lean beef, 92% lean, 8% fat. You might want to say it Laura if you want to. I've got my Pam cooking spray that I've already put in the pan. And I'm going to make myself a hamburger patty, just enough to fit in my hand. There's about 4 servings in this packet. Not very much, but it'll do for a quick lunch and a quick snack. So I'll put that in there, and I'll smash it down, wash my hands again. Almost there. Dry them off with a paper towel, and now I'm going to get my rice. Let me show you guys what I have set up for rice. So in the microwave, I have 365 spelt and grain lentils, long grain brown rice. This is my go-to. You just rip open the bag and then microwave it for 90 seconds. So I'm going to do that now. I got my beef cooking. Getting my spatula. And I'll mash it down a little bit because I do like it kind of medium rare. And now we're going to get an avocado. And because we haven't been able to go to the grocery store a lot, we've been putting the avocados in the refrigerator and they've been keeping a little bit longer. So I'm going to get one of those. That's the way you hang on to food a little bit longer, keep it refrigerated, obviously. And it ripens a little bit slower. So I've got my avocado. Get a plate. Okay. Okay. I wish you could see this. Okay. There we go. Cut it like so. Spoon it out. Just spoon it out into a bowl. Later, I want to put my rice first. I'm going to check on my hamburger here. Turn it over. That's cooking nicely. Rice is done. So I put about half of the bag of rice, guys. It's it says 1 serving per container. It's 360 calories, but this really serves me for 2 meals. So I'll put about half the bag. I'm going to have a snack later with this rice. Okay, I've got my spoon for my avo. I'm going to put that in there. It's a little messy, but it'll do. And then I'll check on the burger. It's still a little rare in the middle, a little too rare, but I'm going to shut the gas off because it'll continue to cook for about another 30 seconds. And then I'm going to basically put my burger on here, and it's going to be a delicious protein meal. It's going to be my lunch for today. It's already 3 o'clock. I slept a little late, but this is what I'm going to have, and then I'm going to eat again probably at about 7 o'clock. I've been eating smaller meals and I've been snacking. I've been home a lot, as you guys well know, because you're home as well. And I'm going to have eggs later on, and I'm going to also have the other half of the avocado, and I'll show you how I make that a little bit later. But let me add the beef to this and start enjoying my lunch. Come here, you. Can't let anything go to waste. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. You're playing hard to get? There you go. And that's going to be my lunch, guys. Peace, love, and muscles. Take care of yourselves. I hope you have a great day, and talk to you soon. Love you all. Bye.